Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with TaxScouts Online Tax Filing Review My Usage Experience. TaxScouts Online Tax Filing Review My Usage Experience offers a second opinion on your already completed tax return. It's aimed at anyone who's filed their taxes themselves and wants an expert to check for accuracy and potential errors, maximizing their refund or minimizing their tax liability. Key features include a review of your return for accuracy and compliance, identifying potential deductions you may have missed, and offering advice on optimizing your tax strategy. Their website provides details on their pricing structure and process. They highlight the peace of mind offered by having a professional review your work, emphasizing accuracy and the avoidance of costly mistakes. They boast a transparent pricing model with no hidden fees, and the process is entirely online, making it convenient for busy individuals. Availability is straightforward. Anyone who has already completed their tax return can use their service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using TaxScouts Online Tax Filing Review My Usage Experience. I decided to use TaxScouts after completing my taxes using a popular online tax software. Getting started was a breeze. I simply uploaded my completed tax return file. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. I was able to track the progress of my review in real time. The entire process took about 3 business days, and I received a detailed report outlining any adjustments or recommendations. The report was easy to understand, even for someone not particularly tax-savvy. The turnaround time was impressive, and the quality of the review was excellent. TaxScouts spotted a small deduction I'd missed, resulting in a slightly larger refund than initially anticipated. I had a quick question about one of their recommendations, and their support team responded promptly via email, clarifying the point effectively. I was really impressed by how clear and concise their explanations were. One minor drawback was the slightly higher price compared to some basic tax software reviews. However, the extra accuracy and potential savings outweighed the cost for me. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with TaxScouts and would recommend it to anyone looking for an extra layer of security and expert advice on their tax return. That's my overview of TaxScouts Online Tax Filing Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.